Kakkurit 6 and elevators from Finland. Nice gang. They're separate. Yes. They were both downstairs. Completely replaced. It was probably from the 1980s before.
Maybe I'll write this alone.
Replaced in 2005, page 406036, version 6.
P?
B?
Yes.
Yes, it will still work because it's 2005.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2021. Next year, 2020, this is turning 15 years old. There's the gym. Second floor is locked. One is open. I think originally from the mid-1980s. Probably.
Yeah.
Let's change elevators.
Expected paikkivain.
I think we can change them here.
Paikka
Yeah,
on.
one, yeah, two doesn't work.
Completely replaced in 2005, H406037, 8 versions of 630 grams. Turning 15 years old in next year, 2020. Going to be inspected in 2021. Yeah, there's a gym here downstairs. Wonder if the second floor is normally open before the evening, I don't know. Or maybe it has been locked off permanently.
Yeah. Expected paikkivain, expected and maintained paikkivain. That's